Hey, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing? I have a 2002 Prius. I want to show you guys how to take off the ECU. Okay, so you open the glove box. On the side right here, you have these two type of pins. You screw to the left, pop it out. Screw the one over here to the left, pop it out, and this should drop down. Go ahead and unplug. This is your ECU. Go ahead and unplug all the wires to this one and to this one, because we're gonna have to take this one out. Also, you have a size 10 screw right here and up here. Okay, go ahead and remove those as well. You unplugged all your cables and remove the two screws right here that are size 10. You can go ahead and take this whole piece out. Okay. Okay, in order to release the ECU from the little bracket, we're going to need to remove 4 screws. These 2 screws down here, and then those 2 screws right there. Alright, so after you take off the 4 screws, your ECU should come right off. And that's how you take off your ECU. Thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you guys out, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Until next time, you guys.